There are countless cleaning tips available for use throughout the house, but there are also some lesser-known techniques that you would not typically consider. While some of these hacks may seem a little odd, they function just as well as chemical cleaning techniques and make use of discarded household items that you need to find another use for. Before we go further into the video, be kind enough to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on new videos. 1. Lemon for your microwave. With a simple, natural technique, cleaning the microwave has become much simpler. Put a bowl of water and a half lemon in the microwave and cook for 5 minutes on full power. You only need to give it a brief wipe down to restore it to new condition because the lemon and water mixture readily releases dirt and grease. 2. Armpit stain remover. Instead of repeating your laundry, use my simple trick to get rid of yellow stains. Make a paste by mixing baking soda and water to do this. There are no ideal ratios in this situation. The consistency should resemble pudding. Before placing clothing in the washer, check it for stains. Apply this paste next and let it on overnight. The following day, wash your garments and they will be stain-free. If using this method still leaves stains, try replacing the water with hydrogen peroxide for a fantastic homemade lightener and stain remover. 3. Clean bottle with rice. Cleaning bottles can be difficult, but with some rice, it becomes a lot simpler. Place a handful of rice, some warm water, and a teaspoon of detergent in the container. Put the cover back on, then shake it briskly. 4. Pet hair removal. You are probably well aware of the cleaning nightmare that is pet hair if you own a dog or a cat. Everywhere gets it, and even a standard vacuum seems to miraculously miss pet hair. Therefore, what can pet owners do? Using a squeegee is a quick and simple pet hair removal hack. Use a squeegee to sweep any area covered in hair. Particularly effective on carpets and furniture. You'll need to repeat the process several times, and I advise using brief strokes. You'll be astounded when you're done by how much pet hair was hidden in your couch. 5. Let the blender clean itself. Tired of picking around sharp blades to wash away sticky residue? Here's a tip. Fill your blender with a small amount of dishwashing soap, warm water, and some drops of lemon juice for a fresh scent. Turn it on for about 5 to 10 seconds and then rinse out the suds until the water runs clear. Voila, no easier way to get your blender sparkling clean. And it's a wrap, guys. Thanks for sticking with us till the end of the video. Feel free to share your thoughts and other fabulous cleaning hacks with us in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on our next video. Bye for now.